Ciao guys, welcome for a new tip. Today I'm gonna talk about the ScreenBar Plus lamp by BenQ. Here we go guys, let's unbox the ScreenBar Plus e-reading lamp. Just a quick feature, you got USB power, auto dimmer, dimmable and warm cool light. The design is pretty amazing. Let's see what we have inside the box. So yeah, we got just a classic few papers. We have the USB cable with the very cool control. So yeah, you can regulate it from here, as you can see. Yeah, that's a classic cable. Let's put it back. Yes, we got the holder. It's pretty heavy. You put at the back of the computer. I'm gonna show you now. So this part is gonna keep it lock the lamp on your screen, and here you're gonna place your lamp. And here is the best part, of course, the lamp. As you can see, let me take it out and show you the quality of the light. You can even see from here. Yeah, the unboxing was quick. Let's see how it works. The lamp, there's the micro USB that I've connected on top of the holder on the lamp. The cable is going through, and then we got a double here, which the second part is a regular USB that I'm gonna use to power the lamp. So we don't really need any AC power, but just regular USB. And the second part of the cable, as you can see, is going to finish on the control pad. Let's have a check of the control pad first. You got the auto dimmer here, so you can press for an automatic brightness adjustment, and the indicator will shine green, as you can see here. Then we got the line indicates the dial with all adjusting brightness, and then when you are gonna adjust the hue, you're gonna see the temporal indicator here. This one is already a brightness hue indicator, which you can click, and then you can control both of these two things. And then here you can regulate simply if you want brighter light. You can see also on the left it's changing the light even if I'm not pointing the screen. And this is just a LED indicator. So let's have a check with a video now how it works. So once everything is connected, back, here's we got the light, as you can see. Yeah, I left a bit dark so you can see the difference between the light and when it's not lighted. Here we go, we got the screen. And now let's start first of all the light, and then I start the video to show you how it performs physically with a video or with the screen ongoing. We got the lights on. You can see already the difference, and then let's start the video, see how it performs. So I leave the automatic for the moment. Let's start the video to see how it performs. Light is working very good. Let's have a try without the light and see how is it. Yeah, you can clearly see the difference. The screen is less brighter and the impact on the eyes. So how was it? Did you like it? Are you gonna take one? In any case, you got links in description, and for further information you can send me a text or commenting below if you have any kind of question. It's all for today. Bye bye from London, UK.